Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. And today I'm going to talk with you about number bonds for the number 9 in math. The first thing I need you to gather is your inquiry or drawing journal or just a sheet of white paper and a pencil and some crayons. So go ahead and pause this video, gather those materials, and hit play when you are ready. Okay, friends, I'm assuming you have what you need to start this lesson. The first thing we're going to do is look at a story problem. Let's read it. It's about laundry day. It is laundry day. We have 9 extra socks. Some are green and the rest are blue. Draw the set of green socks and the set of blue socks. Make a number bond to help tell me about your picture. Okay, so what do we know here? We know that we need to draw 9 socks, and that's because it says so in our story that there are 9 socks. Take your pencil and go ahead and draw 9 socks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, friends, you should have 9 socks drawn on your paper. Now we need to use our crayons to color some of them green. Be careful not to color all of your socks green because it says that some are also blue. That means we need to use both colors in making our sets. So I'm going to color some of mine green. And the rest of my socks blue. Does your picture look like mine? Or did you make a different combination of the number 9? See, I have 4 green socks and 5 blue socks. But I could have done it differently. I could have colored more green and less blue, or more blue and less green. Just as long as I only made 9 socks, then I've made a combination of the number 9. Now it's time for us to show what this would look like in a number bond. All right, so we need to draw a number bond. Make 3 circles and 2 number paths going to the hole. So what is our hole in this story? 9, of course, because that's how many socks we have all together. Now let's think about our parts. How many green socks do I have? Well, in mine, I have 4, but you might have a different number. Write the number of green socks you drew in the first part. How many of the second part do I have? How many blue socks do I have? Well, I have 5 blue socks, so that's what I'm putting as my second part. 4 and 5 make 9. Okay. Now, let's continue talking about the number 9 by looking at our problem set of the day. Okay, friends, when you're ready, you're going to go ahead and switch to your problem set. It's all about the number 9. When we look at the number 9, we're looking for different combinations of that number. Let's start by putting our name on our paper. And today's date, 3-16-20. Okay, let's read the instructions. The squares below represent cube sticks. Draw a line from the cube stick to the matching number bond. Fill in the number bond if it isn't complete. Okay, I know right away that these are all of my cube sticks. And if I count them, they each come out to have 9 cubes because that's our target number of the day. And on this side, I've got number bonds. And each number bond has a whole of 9 with different parts that show combinations of 9. All right, let's get started. Let's look at our first cube stick. I know there's 9, and there's 2 parts. The white cubes in this cube stick are 2. Count how many gray cubes you see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This must mean 7 and 2 make 9. Where do you see a number bond with that same combination? That's right, directly across. Draw a line to match them. There you go. Okay, now look at the next cube stick. What's the combination this time? I notice that there's one more gray cube than we had last time, and there's only one white cube. What could the number bond be? If you said 8 and 1, you are correct. Look for the number bond with 8 and 1. I see a number bond with 8, but the 1 is missing. This is the time for us to fill that in. Okay, now we can draw the line between the two. 8 and 1. Okay, friends, now let's look at the next one, the next set. Automatically, I can see that there are 3 gray cubes. How many white cubes are there? If you counted 6, you are correct. So let's look for 3 and 6 in a number bond. I see a number bond with the number 3. So I need to, and the other part is blank. This is where I need to fill in 6. 3 and 6. And I would draw a line between the two to match them up. Okay, and the last one. What do we see here? I see 4 and 5. That's the combination we know so well. All right, let's find it. Matching pair on the number bond. Here it is. Let's go ahead and draw 4 and 5. Very nice. Okay, friends, let's flip over to the back. Okay, on this side, our job is to make a different model of the number bond. We see the number bond already there. 5 and 4 make 9. What is a way you can show us the number bond 5 and 4 make 9? Maybe it's using cubes. Maybe it's using circles. Whichever is easiest is what I'd like you to do for you. For me, I'm going to use the cubes. Okay. Wow, here it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 red cubes. And then I'm going to use 5 green cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Once you've done that, I want you to give your best guess to the next two problems. Problem with the missing combination between 8 and what make 9. And I also want you to give me your own combination of 9 with a number bond to match. If you have any questions, you can always ask me or Miss Veronica via Blooms, and I look forward to hearing about your responses. All right, have a great afternoon, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.